In this video, I'll teach you how Microsoft Project calculates the duration of a fixed duration task. I have a little surprise for you. Did you know that in Microsoft Project, the software does not calculate fixed duration tasks the way it does for fixed units and fixed work tasks?
What?
In this video, I'll show you how the software calculates the duration of each type of task, so let's get started. In this sample project, notice that I have 3 tasks: Design Phase 1, Phase 2, and Phase 3. Notice that all 3 tasks follow the same work pattern. Work was done the first week, then there was a task split. Work was done the third week, then a task split in week 4, and then the remaining work is 10 days during weeks number 5 and 6. How does Microsoft Project calculate the duration of 20 days on the task Design Phase 1? Notice that this task is fixed units. So here's how it calculated the 20 days. 5 days of work, skips the split, 5 more days of work, skips the split, the final 10 days of work. 5 plus 5 plus 10 is 20 days duration. It works exactly the same for Design Phase 2, which is a fixed work task. 5 days of work, skips the split, 5 more days of work, skips the split, the final 10 days of work. 5 plus 5 plus 10 is a duration of 20 days. But here's where things get really weird for the task Design Phase 3, which is a fixed duration task. Notice the duration is 30 days. How in the world did Microsoft Project come up with 30-day duration? Here's how. It includes the split periods as part of the overall duration. 5 days of work plus 5 days of split, there's 10 days. 5 days of work plus 5 more days of split, now we're up to 20 days, plus the remaining 10 days of work, which gives us an overall duration of 30 days. I want to assure you, this is not a bug in Microsoft Project. This is a default feature of the behavior of tasks that are the fixed duration task type. So if you use fixed duration tasks and you add splits in your tasks, you're going to see odd-looking durations because the duration will include the split amounts. Hey, thanks for watching my YouTube video. Have you ever wished you had somebody like me who could offer you one-on-one help with your problems with Microsoft Project? If so, I have really good news for you. I offer prepaid support contracts ranging from 8 hours to 80 hours of support. If you're interested, please click the link in the description section below, and I'll get back to you right away with more information. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.